Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I just wanted to show you one thing. If you have installed any operating system on your virtual machine, that is VmWare, and after installation, you are not able to make it full screen. I mean, when you just click that option at the top, enter full screen mode, then also you see uh, a small screen. It is not a full Windows screen. So in order to fix this problem, what you need to do, you need to just select that particular virtual machine and click on VM at the top in the toolbar, and then click on Install VmWare Tools. Once you click that, just make it full screen now. Go to this PC and you will see something like this. That is DVD drive E. So double click it and just run it. Just click it if it is blinking. Now click next. Leave it like that and just click next and click install. Okay, and you can see the magic. So let's just click on finish and we will have to restart the computer now. And you can see now it has become a full screen. So I'll just click on yes to restart. Okay, so our PC has restarted and we have our Windows in full screen now. You can see this is my virtual machine software, that is VmWare, and it shows now in full screen. Okay, and I'm using it on Windows 10. So that's it in this video. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye-bye.